You can't win an argument. Principle 1, the only way to get the best of an argument is to avoid it. Even if you have the finest possible stances and facts, your enemy will detest you if you strike them down or make them feel incorrect. As a result, even if you win, you actually lose. The other person will feel either embarrassed or strengthened, and will only want to enhance their own position. Accept the disagreement. If someone brings up a point we had not considered, we should be grateful that it was brought to our notice. Don't believe your first instincts. When confronted with an unpleasant scenario, our natural tendency is to become defensive. Look for points that you can agree on. Those should come up first. Be truthful. Look for places where we may confess and apologize for our mistakes. This reduces defensiveness. Promise to carefully consider and research our opponent's ideas. And I really mean it. Thank your opponents heartily for their attention. Postpone action to allow both parties time to think about the issue. Meanwhile, consider if your opponents are entirely or partially correct. From How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. Part 3, How to Win People to Your Way of Thinking. Subscribe, like, follow for more.